Hey, you like it? I am in Hungary, bonjour, in Budapest. This is the parliament just behind me and I can't wait to take you on a wine adventure again. So it's more an experience this time, but it's actually about an hour away from Budapest in the Etyek-Buda region, where they mostly do white wine and sparkling. So I can't wait. I have a meeting with Peter and he's taking me there with other folks, of course. Ciao, let's go!
Hungary is a country of 22 wine regions. But today I'm traveling to one of the smallest with 1,500 hectares, also known as the Garden of Buda. The name of the wine region comes from the town, or more village, called Etyek, which basically consists of a long street with several press houses, as they were called, transformed today by the new generation into wineries. A little like the Avenue de Champagne in France, but a bit more authentic. I'm now in the second estate on the tour that we are doing this afternoon, and we're actually in Nadas Winery, very tiny place since 2020, and we are trying some international grapes, but all very local grapes. So international, we will have sauvignon blanc, we'll have chardonnay, mostly in pinot noir, but as local grapes, I'm starting to like the Little Princess a lot. I knew Firmin before, but here in Etyek, I'm loving another type of grapes, which is unpronounceable in Hungarian, so sorry, I'm telling you in American, well, in English, but it's called Little Princess, and I'm starting to love it. So let's go. They're waiting for me. Let's go.
Egy kettes házasítást fogunk kóstolni, sauvignon blanc és first we would like to show you a lighter blend. This is a blend of two, sauvignon blanc and pinot gris. In Hungarian we call it szürke barát. When locals hear szürke barát, they think it is a Hungarian grape, but it's not. It's pinot gris in Hungarian. Okay.
The tour ended with a traditional dinner at the Verdi estate, made by the owner. What a great way to end the day. I definitely advise you to consider Hungary if you're looking for a very authentic wine tour, meeting the winemakers. Today's tour was run by City and Wine Tours Budapest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more, raise a thumb up! Hungary is a country of 20 wine regions. And today I'm traveling to one of the smallest with 1,500 hectares, also known as the Garden of Buda.